Good afternoon, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. On today's we'll start the 19th lecture on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here vision mission of departmental vision to excel in information technology engineering, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental vision. Three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here syllabus for course. Course outcome: after the completion of unit number 5, develop 3D animation object. Summary on that previous lecture. On previous lecture, complete the 4th unit, that is 2D animation. On today's we will start the new last chapter, that is 5th chapter, create 3D animation. What is 3D animation? It is the process of generating three-dimensional moving image in a digital environment. You all already know the 3D animation. All are seen the films, 3D animated films, etc. Okay, and then also I am to send the examples of that 3D animation in a WhatsApp group. Carefully manipulate of 3D models or objects is carried out within the 3D software for exporting the pictures sequentially, giving them the illustrate of the animation or movement. Next point, however, this is completely based on the techniques based for the manipulating the objects. Next point, the procedure of generating 3D is sequentially categorized into 3 main sections, and these are modeling, layout, and animation and rendering. Modeling is the phase that describes the procedure of generating 3D objects within a certain scene. Layout and animation phase describes the process follows for positioning and animating the object within the certain scene. Lastly, rendering describes the end result or output of the complete computer graphics. Means what? In these phases through we create the 3D object. In a modeling phase, we actually generate that object. In layout and animation phase, we giving the positioning of that objects. And in the last rendering means you got the result. The process of production is successfully completed within the carefully combination of sections mentioned above, and also some of the other subsections. Other subsection means other models or other objects are provided on that software. Through you create the successfully complete your final object. The market is filled with several software used for the certain of 3D animation, and these range from the professional right end ones that affordable to the low end versions. It means in a market several softwares are there to create the 3D animation. Okay, on that in that we use the Blender software for 3D animation. Blender software is the free softwares are there for creating the 3D animation. And also in the first lecture I am saying that which softwares are used for your syllabus for your course. Okay, that time to saying that Blender software is used that, and yourself possible that then you download it and use them. In edit mode means what? In that 3D animation, this is the chapters are there. These are depend on practical session, means you studied the how to use that 3D animation, means how to create that 3D animation. Which software is used? Blender. So you studied the Blender software. Same is in a 2D animation. In a 2D animation you use the which software? Adobe Flash software is used. So you studied the Adobe Flash software. Same in a 3D animation. In 3D animation, which software is used? Blender. So you studied the Blender software. That is your syllabus for your 5th chapter. Fourth and fifth chapters both are totally depend on that practical section. Edit mode. The sets of the object interaction modes selectors that switches between the different interaction modes, that is editing context, has moved to the top left corner of the 3D view. It still functions the same way, so to toggle in or out to edit mode, click the menu and select the edit mode options from that list. The exit edit mode, select the another mode option, that is the object mode, to return to the scene default interaction mode. Using Control tab as an alternative, edit mode can be toggled from the mode wheel menu. Cursor transform mode now allow the 3D cursor to be moved independently of object selection or manipulation. Next, cursor transform. It is the for Blender that 3D cursor has dedicated cursor transform mode that one enable or active allow the 3D cursor, means movement purpose is used that red and white checkered loop to be click position or dragged around the scene or screen without interfacing these other objects in a 3D view, much like the 3D transform widget. To active, left click the cursor button in the toolbar, it is left side, and right click to the reposition, or left click drag to the move to the cursor around the screen without interruptions. This is how to that object is moved using this through. Next point, transform, move, rotate and scale. Default behavior of the 3D widget, how it is based to highlight and manipulate the selection has been improved in a Blender. For move, that is the G character is used, and scale as the widget also include handle the accommodate transformation, that is what is in transformation means move that, okay, move, rotate or scale along two planar axis in addition to that standard cardinal axis. Rotation R remains untouched. To accompany the changes, a new global transform widget, shift spacebar and T has been added that include the control handle for each move, scale and rotate action, so each form the manipulator type of the either own mode or interactions and machines within a single tool. To engage the left click the transform, move, select, scale, transform, manipulation buttons in the toolbar area to the left of that main 3D view. When edit mode is active, also available that in the object mode. In transform mode, formalize the free transform, G, move, rotate and select are the available in a single operation. Move translate objects along individual XYZ axis to planar axis simultaneously or perpendicular to the view when clicking the inner control loop. Rotate manipulate selectors around individual XYZ axis, free rotate around all three or perpendicular to the view using the outer control loop. Scale manipulation objects along XYZ axis independently to planar axis at the same time or all three when clicking the central control loop. Parenting object. When modeling a complex object such a watch, you may choose to model the different parts as separate objects. However, all the parts may be attached to each other in case you want to designate one object as the parent of that all the children's. Movement, rotation or scaling of the parent also affect the children. Mesh tool. What is the mesh tool? When edit mode is active, series of editing tool button appear to the right of the 3D view toolbar T. Some expand to table additional options using left click hold. The buttons are currently collected into the 3 groups corresponding to manipulation, add and deform tool sets. After that, additive tools. After that, include the extrude, insert, face, loop, cut. These are the options are there. Include the smooth, how to smooth using shift 6, share, this shift control alt s, edges slide, how to create the edges slide using these shortcut keys are there. Joining and separating of objects in a Blender. In course of creating models for your scenes in Blender, you may need to treat separate objects in a single one or break the part of the single object into their own distinct objects. For example, you may accidentally add the new primitive while you still the edit mode. Here summary on that today's lecture. In a 3D animation, which points are conducted, what is meant by 3D animation. These all the options are available in a Blender software, that is cursor transform, edit mode, transform, move, how to move, rotate, scale, parenting object, mesh tools, joining and separating objects in Blender. Apart from this options, many more options are available on that Blender software. Firstly, you download the Blender software and install it. When you use it, that time you understood how to useful that all functions or all objects which are used on that Blender software. Homework for you: write in your notebook on today's lecture points. Here stop on today's lecture. In this point arise the doubt. In this lecture arise any doubt, then contact with me. Thank you.